not testing backups. And I recently was speaking at the conference at the full room of people, and I asked how many of you have tested your backups of any type, not necessarily DevOps, any backup ever. And only one person raised their hand. Why testing backups is so important? Only 38% of Git backups end up working as expected when attempt to restore is made. Meaning that if you try today, if you even told your junior or female development team to make this Git clone or to run some script, and today you're trying to restore data from it, in two out of 3 cases, it's not gonna work. You're not going to restore your data. Too bad. And why you need this? You need this because security incidents of different vendors that you rely on, like Jira, like GitLab, like GitHub, happen all the time. So you never know when something will happen that impacts you and your environment. There are vulnerabilities discovered all the time. And if only 1 out of 3 cases you can restore your data, then it's almost like you don't have a backup at all. That's why it's extremely crucial to test your backups. Obviously not every week, maybe not even every month, but once per quarter, have this exercise with your team when you try to restore a couple most important repositories and one Jira project and see if it works. Once per year, when it's time for your pen tests and your annual audits, try to bring back the whole infrastructure and see if it works. Personally, I think that once per year is not enough. You should do it more often, but do it sometimes. And especially if you make any changes to your backup strategy, to the way you run your backups, or just in major changes in how your platform is configured, for example, how your GitHub is configured, afterwards, try to restore data as well. Because I've also seen scenarios when somebody changed something in their configuration, either in Jira or in GitHub, for example, changed permission settings or added some branch restrictions, and suddenly their backup stopped working, or their backups were lacking essential data. So if you make any major change, test your backups as well.